In the hush of a dying lantern's glow, where the restless tides of midnight flow, I hear a whisper beneath the waves, a hymn for the lost, the damned, the brave. Dust on the spine of a forbidden page, salt in the wound of a bygone age. Ink runs black where the old gods dream, far below in the sunless sea. Down the wayward path I tread, where reason falters, hope lies dead. A silver thread through drowned remorse, drawn by an unseen ancient force. The sea remembers every name, every spark of fragile flame, and in its depths my heart it keeps, where something vast no longer sleeps.